Hi boys, what's going on? This is just a little trade review for a change. Actually, I haven't been posting these lately purely because I haven't been taking any trades. But yesterday, caught a trade on GJ through London session, and this was a losing trade. However, it was a perfect entry, textbook setup, and I think this loss was based a bit around just December price action, and but can't be mad. I mean, you're putting in the right entries, and so yeah, I'll get in straight away and just show you exactly what I entered off of and what I could have potentially done better. So coming into the day, I was aware we had news releasing, and I'll move that up. So we had news releasing at 6:15. So I was taking this trade at about 4:30. So I was aware we had this news, and I thought potentially we could be chopping around. And even though this was Euro news for the Euro, high impact news often affects GBP, JPY, even if it's a Euro pair or USD news. So I don't know why that is. It just seems to happen on GJ. It's something I've noticed. And so yeah, I was aware of that. However, every confluence in the book got ticked, and so I was willing to put my money into the market. And so this is about an hour prior to the actual official London Open at 6 p.m. However, I've just noticed that there's a lot of volume coming to the market, usually around 4:30, and you can catch some really good moves there. So now this is what I was looking at. We had this huge bullish movement through Asian session, and then that's sort of just left us with this 1 hour fair value gap to play off of. So I was looking for a retracement into there. As soon as we got this 50, the halfway mark of this imbalance tapped in, I was looking at the charts, and I scaled down to a 5-minute time frame, which is usually my go-to time frame for these 1 hour opening confluences. And as seen, we get a bullish move out of the fair value gap, break structure on the 5-minute time frame, and this also leaves us with 3 fair value gaps to look for entries off of. For me, it was 1, 2, and this mini one down here. I didn't really think about that one, to be honest. And then I also had equilibrium drawn out. So this break of structure here was very clear on the 5-minute, and it was also clear on the 15-minute. So we broke structure on both time frames. I had no thought that we were even going to keep going bearish after a 15-minute break of structure. That is literally all I want to see, even off my 4-hour confluences. So coming in here, we get a move up, and then we get a retracement, fill in this imbalance. And off this sort of doji bullish candle, I entered a position with a TP1 at these 15-minute highs, just because it gave me a good enough risk to reward to have a take profit there. And then I had a second take profit at these hourly highs created from Asian session. And both of them are good risk to reward. I mean, that's a 1 to 3, that's a 1.8. But the only difference that I did to what I'd usually do is I placed my stops underneath the low of this first fair value gap candle. And that was just to allow for, I was aware that we had equilibrium down here, and we also had another 5-minute imbalance. So all of my confluences got ticked. However, I was just cutting myself a little bit of extra space in case something like this happened, and we bottom ticked and then moved higher and wanted to fill in this imbalance. But as seen, I'll play out exactly what happened with price. Stops with there. And yeah, we got stopped out, and price just kept going lower and lower. And this is sort of the story of trading at the moment. I mean, to me, all of my confluences got ticked, so I can't be mad that it was a losing trade. I've just got to be happy that I took a trade within my strategy. And yeah, I was actually really surprised that this one hit stop loss. And as seen, price did end up ripping after that European news came out, and it actually took out both the draws on liquidity that I was targeting in the first place. So correct bias and good entry, but just not the sort of result I was looking for today. But that's right, man. That's just how trading goes sometimes. So yeah, this was GBP JPY Monday the 16th of December. Trade recap for you boys. Let me know your thoughts below. Let me know if you would have taken the same trade, if you're trading the same strategy. Yeah, only thing I could have done better, I think, potentially waiting for that news to come out. We had about 2 hours, so I was cutting a little bit close, but yeah, all in all, happy with that trade. And peace out, boys. Thank you for watching.